welcome to OSTEQ. If you're looking for high-performance connectivity, you've come to the right place. Today, we are upgrading your setup with a premium line of HDMI and speaker cables. First up, let's talk visuals. Our HDMI cables are built for the future. Whether you need 4K or 8K resolution, we deliver crystal-clear images with zero lag. We offer everything from copper to optical fiber options, ranging from 2 meters all the way up to 35 meters. Perfect for your gaming consoles, projectors, or home theater systems. Its durability you can trust for both home and professional use. Now, let's turn up the volume. Experience unmatched audio quality with our OSTEQ speaker cables. Available in gauges from 12 to 18 AWG, we have the perfect fit for any system. Whether you choose our CCA or OFC Copper cables, you're getting optimal signal transmission for that rich, powerful sound. From residential living rooms to commercial studios, we ensure every note hits perfectly. Don't compromise on your connection. Upgrade to OSTEQ today for impeccable audiovisual integration.